So here are a couple things you're going to need. I'm going to show you what to do with these when you put your stickers on your car. Alright guys, I've got my new sticker here. It's a one-piece sticker. So you could peel the sticker off, and if somebody wants to take it, they're going to be able to take your sticker. I'll show you a little trick today that I do when I replace my stickers, and that way if somebody tries to rip them off, they won't come off. So here we go. So I've gone and I've stuck the sticker on here. That's on there pretty good, so you can see that. Now unfortunately, people will come up and they'll take this razor blade, the same tool that's going to save our stickers, the same tool people use to get them off, and they take these and they'll peel them up. And you can see that that would start to come up, and if you're careful enough, you can get the whole thing off of there. So what you're going to want to do is come over here with your razor blade and just score this and cut it and make incisions in it. And you can hardly see these lines. You're going to make as many as you want. Just make them. Now see that? Tore that whole corner off, and that's exactly what would happen to somebody if they went to steal your sticker. Perfect example. It's going to come off in pieces. So that's what you do. You make a bunch of cuts. Now if somebody goes to take that, they won't be able to get it, and your sticker will stay on there. So that's the tip for the day, to keep your registration sticker on your truck. So I went ahead and stuck that little corner back on there, but you can see all those little incisions. They don't affect your number or anything like that, but no one will have the time to take all those pieces off and put them back together.